flashback. How about rewinding life back to college? I want to know how college hangouts are. It's always fun to visit your past, go to those canteens inside the campus, the small eateries right outside. Well, I'll have to travel all the way to Bangalore to revisit my past because I studied there. I want to know how college hangouts are over here in Chennai. Do college students actually enjoy their life? Is it food or marks all the way? So I have with me Pavitra, who's going to be introducing me to her college adda on Cathedral Road. Did you guess? People residing on that long stretch of Cathedral Road swear by this place Shirdi Quick Bites, known for chaats, parathas and meals. And the place is strategically located close to Stella Maris College. And any Stellite, even after completing her studies there, will always remain brand loyal to Shirdi. Not to forget, I'm already with one. My first impression, the place is compact and the aroma tantalizing. The interiors sport a very minimalist, down-to-earth expression. The low-seat wooden chairs, though, remind me of those classes where you endured long, boring lectures. The space outside is a lot more fun. A typical bunk classes and enjoy like crazy kind of atmosphere. Always fun to be sitting outside.
Exactly. The way we used to do is we used to come, jump onto the parapet wall and just settle ourselves here.
You'll have to introduce me to all the dishes that are available here.
Yeah, we usually love to have parathas from Shirdi, and they have chaats also that are really good here.
I think I will settle for palak paratha. That seems very different to me.
You can also go for a combination paratha. What do you say?
Perfect. More variety, the better. The moment you order, the chef immediately takes charge. He takes a handful of atta, stuffs it with the already cooked palak curry, and shapes it to a perfect circle. Hot paratha with green palak nicely tucked in is ready. When the regular aloo masala used as a filling for aloo parathas is cooked along with carrots and paneer, the mixed veg masala becomes a combination paratha.
When we used to come here, we used to be a gang of people just join together and come over here for a break, or usually on a Saturday when we have classes, or suddenly when we would want to come here for lunch, since just to jump away from the building. So we just come here and have chaat, or we have parathas if we come for lunch, and we order, each of us order each dish that we would prefer, and we all join together and have it.
So all of us end up eating the other's dish.
Exactly.
So do you also get caught? Is there some teacher looking over because the campus is right here?
We tend to be careful about that because since the windows are always just, we can peep into them and see what's happening. We make sure that we are there right on time for the classes though.
Perfect. I think it's arrived now. To start with, I haven't seen palak paratha anywhere. This is the first time I'm actually tasting palak paratha.
I think they have added it.
How's your mixed veg?
It's yummy. It's not very spicy either. So I think we have aloo and gobi and carrot, everything mixed up here. After being here with friends, I've always told my parents also. So whenever they pass by through this place, they've also tried and they like the food. And today my mom's actually told me to get some parathas packed home.
Clock strikes 1. The place is a hub for not just the college crowd but even the working executives. It's time for mini meals or executive lunch. We picked the mini meals that come with small portions of bisibele bath, mixed rice, poriyal, appalam and curd rice. What started as a small tea stall 19 years ago is now a crowded hub that serves sumptuous meals and scrumptious snacks from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Well, I started this once I came back straight out of college. I needed to keep myself busy because I don't think I'm a kind of a person who can do a 9 to 5 job. So actually it was, I came with my parents and they chose this place for me. I started in a very small way, having just one shop, and I used to sell just tea, coffee and regular snacks. And Then today I've earned my name for my parathas. Almost if you see 60% of my customers, they are here on a regular basis. And they come here on a regular because they can't eat at home. So what they're actually looking at is home food. And in your house, do you use color? Do you use soda? Do you use preservatives? No. It is simple food with absolutely less masala. That's the trick for this place.
The most attractive thing about any meal is the papads. I always start with that first. The bisibelabath actually comes from Karnataka. Very similar to sambar rice here, but then it's tangier and it has a lot more onion in it.
And it's yummy when it's hot and with ghee all over.
I know it is.
We have a lot to relate in this area because there's a Xerox shop right down. It used to be there. I think they've moved it downstairs. So whenever we used to come to take printouts for notes just before exam, sometimes we would drop in here, and when you pass by, you will see a lot of people sitting on the parapet wall, and a lot of friends just
So
crowded.
each time you pass by this place, you would be tempted to stop by, eat
exactly.
something and then
That's
go.
exactly your point.
Well, none of us touch the poriyal. We are so used to meals with an urlakirangu curry. Cabbage curry, honestly, isn't quite exciting. But what follows is more than exciting. Apart from chaats and meals, Shirdi also offers sandwiches and beverages. All items cost between 30 and 75 rupees.
How's it cheesy?
It's very cheesy. In most places, you can only order extra pav. Over here on the menu, I just checked out, you can also order extra bhaji. I think that's what attracted me to this dish. That's why I finalized
That's really
on this.
different.
Mine is chiku lassi.
And mine is mango.
How's your mango?
It's very sweet.
Do you know what taste that humans are sensitive to?
Do you want me to answer?
No, I think I'll give that to the viewers. So the question for this week's Feeding Frenzy contest is, humans are sensitive to which taste? A, sweet, B, bitter, or C, spicy? Send in your answers to feedback@ndtv-hindu.com.
Or you can contact me.
You know, even during my college, I always used to delay my lunch eating process so I can miss the first few minutes of the post-lunch lecture. Funny, I do that with office too now.